This fluctuation here seems significant. It's deviating from the baseline algorithm.
Acknowledged. Marking for level 2 analysis.
The aircraft frames are submerged into the chromic acid anodizing bath, a critical step in preventing corrosion and ensuring durability.
Guided by the laser precision. Guided by the laser projection. Hoses connected and secure.
Vacuum pressure holding steady.
Clear the area. Initiating seal sequence.
Laser alignment shows green. We are within tolerance.
Confirmed. Lock hydraulics.
Hoisting the ramp into position, watch the clearance.
Alignment confirmed. Engaging hydraulic pins now.
Pins locked. Cycling the ramp down.
Steady descent, watching the gap. Clearance is confirmed.
And we have pad compression. The join is complete.
The vertical stabilizer is precisely lowered into the tail cone. As it seats, the integration team immediately begins the critical bolting sequence. Once aligned, the automated bolting tool moves in, securing the primary load-bearing fasteners in a precise clockwise pattern.
The arrival of the TP400 turboprop marks a critical step. This engine, the most
Ground crew confirms all clear for run-up. Copy that. Starting sequence now. Initiated, banking 30 degrees, stability check inbound.
Control response nominal. Check confirmed.
A rapid burst of flares illuminates the night sky. The aircraft's sensors immediately begin tracking the heat signatures to verify the defense system's logic.
Lifting the litter into position.
Locking it in, connecting power now.
Monitors active, vitals look good.
As the gear retracts, the doors fold inward and lock flush against the fuselage. This perfect seal.
Weight and balance confirmed. We are clear for the acceptance flight.
Roger that.
Taking controls, banking left to maximum authorized angle. Confirmed. Sustained G load looks good. Data confirmed. Specifications met.
The final review is successful. The aircraft is officially accepted.
Excellent work, gentlemen.
Feels good to be heading home. Yeah, long trip. Let's get airborne.
Utilizing motorized rollers, the standardized NATO pallets are rhythmically moved from the tarmac into the aircraft hold.
The humanitarian mission continues as the A400M delivers vital aid, bringing relief to those affected by the disaster.
The flow rate stabilized at 300 liters per minute. Pressure looks good.
The A400M undergoes a rigorous C-check. Technicians use borescopes to detect microfractures deep within the TP400 engines.
Tread depth confirmed at 0.3 inches. Pressure check stabilizing now. Looks good.
Approaching minimums. Maintain airspeed.
Checked. Adjusting for wind shear. Runway in sight.
Fold recognized.
Copy that. Moving to the next section.
Vacuum engaged.
Adjust the angle on the starboard winglet by 3 degrees. Done.
Aerodynamic efficiency improves by 0.4%.
That brings the fuel consumption down significantly.